how to sell your wholesale deals to cash buyers and how to find cash buyers. In this video for my free wholesaling university, I'm going to be showing you the absolute best ways to sell your wholesale deals to cash buyers. So we're going to be going over how me and my team can help you sell your deals, how to use InvestorLift, which is one of the #1 platforms out there to sell your deals, InvestorLift by far, and then how to sell your deals using real estate Facebook groups. So let me go ahead and share my screen and we'll jump right into it. So first off, let's talk about how you can work with me and my team to help you sell your deals. We would love to work with you and sell your deals to our cash buyers list. Guys, we've been in the business for years and I've built up a massive cash buyers list, and we'd love for you to send us your deals so that way we can just simply sell your deals to our cash buyer list that we've already built up, our VIP buyers. Now, if you are in the school community, there will be a custom link for sending deals to me and my team. But if you're not in the school community, or if you just want to send us a deal the regular way, you can go to jacobblank.com/dispo. But if you're in the school community, make sure to look for the custom link for sending us deals. Now, we would love to help you sell the deals. The next thing that I want to go on to is InvestorLift. InvestorLift is the #1 platform when it comes to selling your deals. And guys, we have access to InvestorLift Cartel, so we have access to all 5 million active cash buyers that are on the platform. So if you can't afford InvestorLift, because InvestorLift is pretty pricey, right? It costs a minimum of about $5,000 a year. If you can't afford it, don't worry, we have it and we'd love to help you sell your deals. So just send your deals to us and we can blast them out on our InvestorLift account. We would love to work with you on your deals. But InvestorLift is great because it lets you search all the buyers all over the country and find the ones that are specifically good for your deal that would be highly interested in your deal. So let's go ahead and jump into InvestorLift and let me show you how it works. So this is the dashboard where you're able to see all your buyers, how many emails you've sent, how many opens, like how many emails have the buyers open for the email blasts that you've sent out of your deals. But then the main one that you work in is the properties. This is where you're able to post the properties that you have under contract. So what I like to do is I like to click on a property and I'll show you exactly how we fill out the listing. We go ahead and we put a deal template in here where you're able to see all the details of the deal. We add a picture link and we create a catchy title and we plug in all the information. From there we mark it as available and then we go new marketing campaign, and InvestorLift allows us to go ahead and send emails or text messages to thousands and thousands of buyers. So if I go Las Vegas, Nevada, send to all buyers, it's going to let me go ahead and email 500 buyers right there I can email, but the only reason why it's only letting me send to 500 buyers is because I just sent this deal out the other day, and as you can see, I sent to 6,000 buyers. So InvestorLift, one of the good things with it is you are able to do marketing campaigns where you're able to mass email and mass text out the deal to cash buyers. The next thing that's really good is Artemis mode, which is hot buyers. This basically gives you a list of all the buyers that have bought deals in the surrounding area, that have bought deals or made offers on deals nearby. So if a buyer has been clicking on other listings in InvestorLift nearby, has been making offers on deals nearby, or even has closed on a property nearby, they're going to show up in this hot buyers list. Now, what you can do is you can go through this hot buyers list and call each one of these buyers and email them and say, hey, I've got a deal in the area you're looking to buy deals in. Let me send you the details and let me know if you'd like to make an offer. So basically, InvestorLift is showing you the buyers that are actively looking for deals in your area, putting them in a list for you, so that way you can simply go, hey, I saw you're already looking for a deal right here. Here's the deal I have, and most of the time they're going to want to buy the deal. Another similar tool is God mode, but this is on properties that have been flipped by cash buyers in the area. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to sort whatever mile radius you want to do, and then it's going to give you all the buyers that have been flipping properties in the area and their contact information for you to call them. And it's going to tell you what they bought the property for and what they sold it for, so that way you know what type of spread and what numbers they're buying deals for. So that way, if you see they're buying a similar property for $200,000, that means they'll probably buy your property for $200,000. So these are all active flips in the area that have been recently flipped, that you can go ahead and call these buyers up and see if they want to buy your deal. This God mode feature is a no-brainer, right? Because basically, it's giving you flippers that have bought deals on the same neighborhood, same street as your deal. So if our deal's right here on Sahara Avenue, there's all these flips that have been done where I can go say, hey, I have a deal down the street from the Peak Street deal that you recently did. Would you be interested in buying it? And the buyer's probably going to be like, yeah, I just flipped that property on Peak Street, so yeah, I'm definitely interested. Please send me the details. Send them over that deal template that you created with all the information on the deal, and then see if they make you an offer on the deal. So using God mode and hot buyers and using the marketing campaigns to send texts and emails, it makes it really easy to sell the deals. Again, InvestorLift is kind of expensive, so if you can't afford it, me and my team would love to help you sell your deals, and we can put them out on our InvestorLift account for you. But the next thing is using this deal template to sell the deal using real estate Facebook groups. Real estate Facebook groups can be a great way to find cash buyers and a great way to sell your deals. So if you join real estate Facebook groups, what you can do is you can go ahead and create a post, and you can take that deal template and just go ahead and post that in these real estate Facebook groups in the market where the deal is, and post it, and now buyers are going to be able to hit you back and say if they're interested or not. Like as you can see, this Thai web is doing that right now. They're posting a deal that they have in Miami, the photos of it, and they're asking if there's any buyers interested. You can also check the comments on deals like this, and a lot of times buyers will be dropping their emails asking for more details. So that's a great way to find buyers as well. Another good method is clicking the search bar and putting the @ symbol, and then search, and now it's going to show you posts in the group where there is a @ symbol. Sometimes doing gmail.com will help. And now it's going to show you posts in the real estate Facebook group where people have put their email address. So right here, let me find a good one. This is, let's find one where there's been a lot of comments. We are cash buyers looking to buy properties in the area. Here's a cash buyer's email right there that we can add to our buyers list. So if you're looking to build a buyer's list, just go and look for deals that other people have been posting, and usually they're going to be dropping their emails as buyers in the comments saying, hey, add me to your buyer's list. And then you can go ahead and find buyers. This person right here is an investor returning to the New Mexico area, and they put their email right here for them to receive deals. You can go ahead and add this cash buyer to your buyer's list. So that is how to find buyers using real estate Facebook groups, and that's how to post your deals on real estate Facebook groups to sell them. I hope that was helpful. That gives you 3 different methods on how to sell your deals whether that's working with me and my team for us to help you sell them, or whether that's signing up for InvestorLift, or whether that's using real estate Facebook groups. There will be a link down below in the description for a discount on the InvestorLift platform. So make sure you use my link. It's code JB, I believe. So if you do want to sign up for InvestorLift, use the link down below to save on it. But I hope that video was helpful. On to the next video in the free Wholesaling University. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the link down below and enroll in the full free university so that way you can access the rest of the free training videos. And if you'd like to upgrade to the complete Wholesaling University, it's only $297, and you're going to get access to over 40 more videos than what's inside the free Wholesaling University. This complete Wholesaling University goes over everything you need to know from start to finish on how to get your first deal and then to scale the business all the way up to doing $1 million every single year. Look what's inside. All of these educational videos on every single part of the business. So that being said, if you'd like to upgrade to the complete Wholesaling University, it's only $297. But if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link down below and at least enroll in the full free Wholesaling University so that way you can access the rest of the free training videos. I look forward to seeing you inside the program because you're going to also be able to network in the community with all the other students. I look forward to seeing you inside.